In this video, I will be showing you how Canva print 5x7 cards. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking the Create a Design button in the top right corner of the Canva homepage. From the drop-down menu, I'll select Custom Size at the very bottom. Before entering the dimensions, I need to change the unit from pixels to inches. Now, I'll type in 5 for the width and 7 for the height, and then click Create New Design. This opens up a perfectly sized blank canvas. On the left sidebar, I'll browse through the available templates to find a good starting point. I'm looking for something specific, so I'll scroll through the options until I find a layout I like. I've decided on this construction-themed invitation, so I'll click it to load it onto my canvas. Now I want to customize the design. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for the number 3. I'll scroll through the graphics until I find one that matches the style I'm going for. Once I find this stylized green and yellow number, I'll click to add it. To make the design my own, I'll select and delete the original road and truck graphics that came with the template. I'll then resize my new number 3 and position it near the top. Next, I'll search for construction car in the Elements library. I'll select this yellow cement mixer and add it to the page. I want it facing the other way, so I'll use the flip tool to turn it horizontally and then scale it down to fit. I also want another vehicle, so I'll search for a tow car. I'll pick this orange truck, flip it horizontally as well, and move it into place. To ensure everything looks correct, I'll right-click the trucks and adjust the layering, bringing them to the front so they aren't hidden behind any other elements. I'll spend a moment resizing and repositioning the trucks and the number 3 to create a balanced composition. Now it's time to update the text. I'll double-click the name Benjamin and change it to Alec. Next, I'll move down to the party details, updating the date to June 27th and the time to 3 p.m. I'll do some final fine-tuning, moving the graphics slightly to make sure the layout is perfect. Finally, I'll change the color of the name to a darker shade that stands out better against the white background. And that is how you design a custom 5x7 card ready for printing in Canva.